The tenets of democracy are skills for living in our society that include tolerance, critical thinking and decision-making, thinking together and making meaning, power sharing and empowerment, and individual responsibility and civil involvement with others. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The teacher encourages critical thinking by asking the students to define the term diversity.
Okay. First of all, let's start out. What's our general definition of diversity?
Differences.
Differences. Differences in what?
Society.
Okay, differences in society. Society in general, individuals. Gender is one that we've talked about. Age is one that we've talked about. What else have we talked about?
Religion, beliefs, ideals.
Good, good. We've talked about the religion, the beliefs, the ethnicity, and even the differences as far as urban and rural cultures.
The students discuss what diversity in society means, and they analyze different aspects of diversity, such as stereotyping and culture.
Okay. Tanya, what would you say? How would you define our culture here in the high school?
Well, as far as like religion and stuff, where most of the religions are Christian, or we don't have any real other religions.
How does that affect the school?
The teacher implements empowerment by making each student responsible for teaching the class how to use a different technological tool. One student, for example, teaches her classmates how to use Empower multimedia presentation software.
And to start the program, you select New Presentation, which is at the top. That button right there. Okay. And then you can go ahead and name the presentation, name it your name or whatever you want to.
Another student explains how to create a database using ClarisWorks.
Alright, here you have to name your fields, your field names, and that's just going to be your categories of information. Let's see, the only two that we have that we'll be using are the names of our school and where they're located, your addresses. So just type in name for one, enter for create. You create, yeah. Then type in address for another one.
Taking on the role of teacher also fosters a sense of individual responsibility and civil involvement with others among the students. Each student is accountable to the rest of the class for explaining a different technological tool. Thus, the students must rely on each other for accurate information.